Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make a simple dessert that I call tapioca, which is a pearl tapioca jelly pudding kind, and simple ingredient required. I'm using China grass, which you can use powder agar. This is pearl tapioca, which is sagoo. Soak in water for an hour. We need coconut milk, sugar, vanilla extract, green food color. I also have a tray ready to go, greased with butter, and water is boiling, and now we are going to boil the sagoo. Add your sagoo, tapioca pearl, and give it a stir. We're not gonna add anything else right now. Let it boil until translucent. And it's been 25 minutes and my sagoo is almost ready. I'm just gonna add some green food color and give it a stir. Okay, let me show you now. I have drained the sagoo, the pearl tapioca, and leave a little bit water, just like that, just about half cup of water with the sagoo. So don't throw all of the water. And now I'm using the same pot and I have some water. The heat is over medium high, and now I'm gonna add this China grass, the agar, and I'm using the same spoon, and we're gonna let this boil. This is not gonna take long, just until all this China grass disappear. And now in 10 minutes, now you can see all the jelly has been dissolved. And now I'm gonna add the coconut milk and sugar, vanilla extract, just 1 teaspoon. I'm also gonna add this sagoo, the tapioca pearl that we have boiled earlier. Mix, and I'm also gonna add more green food color. Mix, bring it to a boil, and here you have the pudding. The sabudana pudding is jello pudding. You can call it any name that suits this dessert, and it is so good. It is just smelling like coconut over here. So this is ready to go. It's boiling slowly. We're gonna pour this jelly into the grease pan, and now we're gonna let it set, and then we're gonna move forward. Okay guys, so my sagoo or tapioca jello pudding or jelly pudding is ready. So let it set completely. You can also let it cool and then put it in the fridge for like an hour. And then so I'm trying to just cut the edge. It is still soft. I'm just gonna try to cut them little square, try to make them equal sizes. So now I have some desiccated coconut over here, which I want to roll these cubes of jello into this coconut. I just can't wait. I'm already started to eat this. This is so good. I just want you guys to see all the jello, the tapioca pearl went down in the bottom, and then on top you're gonna have the coconut pudding. Guys, this is so good. I have made some for now, and I'll do the rest after. Keep this in the fridge as soon as you're done, and it stays set and easy to eat. And I hope you like this video. Check the written ingredient down below in the description box. I will see you next time.